Kevin and Trina here again for another episode of The Modern Creative. This time around, we're going to be challenging ourselves to do a $20 photo shoot. Now, this is mostly just because, not everybody has a huge budget. For smaller creators like us, it's really difficult to get a budget together for work, makeup, set locations, that kind of stuff. So this is us going to kind of take you on this journey as we try to pull off a super bougie photo shoot. Oh, I gave it away. So, what are we looking for?
Well, you kind of already leaked it, but I'm looking for something like super bougie. Obviously, you can see I'm not like your average style here. I've got a whole bunch of bananas and crap on my shirt. So I want something real bougie, something real weird, out there, like the most ridiculous thing that we can find today. I want to wear it.
Yes.
I want to wear it.
Yes, I like it. So we're going to take you guys along as we explore some stores, find something bougie, and make this photo shoot happen. So let's get to it. Alright, so we are here at the ARC thrift store. We did find some stuff, but unfortunately it wasn't exactly what we were looking for this photo shoot. We kind of need something really big and bougie and extravagant and just out there because
I'm really extravagant, I'm bougie, I'm over the top, and I need something really fancy.
True. So we're going to try our luck at a different thrift store, and then we are off to American Furniture Warehouse to go shoot that thing. We're not doing that again. I'm out. Okay, so that didn't work. So we're gonna try it again at a different store.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are here at Ragstock. We got lucky and found the jacket that we were looking for, plus a couple of extras because, yeah, so this day was a little bit more expensive than we were expecting, but for the purposes of this video, we only spent $20?
Yeah, only 20 bucks. That's really not too bad. That's 2 outfits, so I can live with that.
Yep, so now that we've got the outfits, let's go shoot something. Let's do it. right, you guys, we are here at the couch. We found it. It looks super cool. This is really awkward right now because the store is actually closing, so we've got to be as quick as possible. But I hope you guys like the video. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. They're closing. We gotta go. We'll see you later. See you in the next one. Bye, guys. Bye.